Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan Navara D22 ST-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 5436. The shape runs from the first month 2007 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has 4 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents and light wobbles. We have a pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports tyre with auto cover, soft type with all fittings. Left hand tail light, left rear, left tailgate. Tailgate has multiple dents and light wobbles. Chrome bumper bar, couple of small dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 large dent and a small dent and light wobbles. Right front door has a small fold on the front edge, a large dent and light wobbles. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, slide type, aftermarket Kenwood touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel.